Hello everyone, this is John here, aka Mr. Joza, Mr. J, Joza Boy. Well, I go by a lot of aliases. I'd like to start doing speculative weekly analysis on Bitcoin, shooting for every Monday, but should major events occur I can try to follow up as time permits. I've already tried this with Twitter, with great success in the first weekly trade. We retested $360 exactly as expected, but the problem with Twitter is that it is easy to mince words with that nasty character limit and delete tweets, so YouTube to the rescue. Let's get started. Now, before I start, I've drawn 5 very important support and resistance levels that we've seen all the way back in 2014 and which have been retested in the late 2015 bull trend and the present early 2016 consolidation and retracement period. These all qualify as areas where the price is consolidated, been supported or turned to resistance, and we've seen it on both sides. For this week, I expect the most important levels to be these two. $315 to $320 and $360 to $365. After 3 tests of this level, we don't really see any breakdown, but there is a very prominent descending triangle forming. Well, we could call it a pennant as well, but unfortunately both these formations are... This is a similar pattern to what we've seen in May of 2014, where the market has a nice market price memory pump. This one retraced to 100%, but I'm wary of the same occurring here. Let's just drag this across so we can have a clearer picture. Yes, it's very similar. Unfortunately, 100% retracement would mean $315 or even $300 at the wicks, which would be another very bearish indicator. Volumetrically, upside volume is highly diminished here, with consistent sell pressure observed. We even have new lows in the OBV, or unbalanced volume, on looks like the 27th. There really is no signs of it stopping, with only a very small uptick in volume here. Granted, this is an incomplete daily candle. Otherwise, it's Chinese New Year this week. Last year we had very low volatility for that week, so I would expect the same here. Overall, sideways is most likely then a retest of 340 to 320 here, which is the 76.4% retracement, then support at 320. So let's just draw that out. Likely something along these lines. Technical analysis aside, this is an interesting quote-unquote time for Bitcoin with the classic Core XT debate on what Bitcoin should become. However, mining pools are beginning to support Classic over Core, as Core has some security concerns regarding SegWit or segregated witness. Regardless, even with the proposed 2 MB blocks for Bitcoin Core, this would allow only 1.3 to 1.5 effective size, making this a very temporary solution. The rest of the space being used to contain a signature transaction. On the other hand, can Bitcoin Classic successfully pull off a hard fork without a large loss of trust in Bitcoin occurring from an extended time with the divergent chain? In short, technical analysis becomes less reliable in a situation like this, as fundamental strength of Bitcoin may change on a day-by-day basis. This uncertainty is a prominent cause for the price collapsing from $460 highs, and now we see the market resting on the edge of a knife. Uncertainty is usually bearish, which lines up with the TA. Full disclosure, I did sell a large part of my Bitcoin holdings after the price broke in $400. I have been looking for an opportunity to buy back in for a nice buy and hold, but it seems not to be. I'll keep you, my 6 loyal subscribers, informed. Thank you for watching, and cheers.